Hello all traders, today is Wednesday 4th of December 2024 and we're going to look at the trades that we're going to take today. So as you see from the 1 hour macro chart, the price was very bullish and went up all the way during the Asian and London session. And by looking at 10-minute macro chart, we see that the price started to go down on Nasdaq and S&P500 but was going up on Dow Jones, and then retested the support level and the buyers came back. So our plan of action for today is to wait for the volatility to calm down, and when we have a deeper pullback and the price tests the support level, we will take long position in a well-established uptrend. So stay tuned and we're gonna update you with any low risk trade that we're gonna take today. So we're back and I was away from the beginning of market, and now that I came back, we had a good uptrend move that we lost. So I'm taking some long positions now on every pullback that I see. We set up T repeatedly on Nasdaq and also S&P 500. I'm setting limit orders now in the lower area of the channels and waiting for every pullback to fill our limit orders and close them in the middle and upper area of the channel. So as you see, we're doing this repeatedly and we got several orders filled already. So waiting for the buyers to come back and push the price higher so we can close them with profit. Waiting for the buyers again to come back. Now good area to close these trades on Nasdaq. The volatility is high and the price is in narrow sideways range, but the macro charts are trendy. So trying to get some more positions filled and setting our limit orders. The buyers came back on Dow Jones, so I entered one long positions and closed it with the profit. So we had one more orders on Nasdaq that was filled and closed with profit. The volatility is getting higher and this trend is very choppy. So I see if we can get more orders filled. This is a good deep pullback, so I'm setting limit orders on Nasdaq and close them again in the upper area. So the volatility is high and the price is very choppy and I have to go and I'm done for the day. So all these signals were copied by copy trader to multiple Apex Trader funding accounts, and you see performance on this account which is positive, showing profit factor of 11, which is coming from 75% win rate, all from 12 long positions taken, and average win to loss ratio close to 4. The largest winning trade was 105 and the largest losing trade was $19. So hope this trade taken by the PAAT system for faster scalping is useful for you, and let us know if you have any questions. Have a wonderful day.